Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage controller settings on MetaQuest 3S. To manage controller settings, go to Settings app, then Devices, Controllers, and now you can enable or disable long press Meta button to pause, and when it's enabled you just need to press and hold on the Meta button to pause an app. Then you can change vibration intensity, switch controller thumbsticks, switch meta button with the option button, remap controller, change thumbstick angle, and thumbstick range and dead zone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.